Other. A beautiful message for all of us to live through. Did you watch the movie Three Idiots, directed by Rajkumar Hirani?
Of course I did, and I loved every bit of it. For its plot, it's quite contemporary. It is applicable not only to students, but also to the parents who compel the children to choose the career they like, and never take into consideration the choice of their kids.
Yes, of course. Did you know that the film also used real inventions by little-known people in India's backyards? The brain behind the innovations were Ramya Jose, a student from Kerala who created the exercise bicycle cum washing machine. Muhammad Iris, a barber from Meerut district in Uttar Pradesh, who invented a bicycle cum power horse clipper. And Jahangir Painter, a painter from Maharashtra, who made scooter-powered floor mill. That's wonderful indeed. But what's the next item to be staged?
It's the old wine in new bottle. Our youngsters from LKG would dance to the number Zooby Dooby.
Zooby Dooby, Zooby Dooby, Zooby Dooby, Zooby. Pagal, stupid man. Para. Zooby Dooby, Zooby Dooby, Zooby Dooby. Zooby Dooby, Zooby Dooby, Zooby Dooby. Pagal, stupid man. Stupid ma. Zooby dooby bum pa, zooby dooby param pam, zooby dooby nache, kyun pagal stupid man. Zooby dooby bum pa, zooby dooby param pam, zooby dooby nache, kyun pagal stupid man. शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे हैं, दीवानी किरणें गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे हैं। वो बगिया में Zooby dooby nache, kyun pagal stupid man. Zooby dooby bum pa, zooby dooby param pam. Zooby dooby nache, kyun pagal stupid man. Zooby dooby pagal stupid man. Zooby dooby pagal stupid Zooby dooby nache, kyun pagal stupid man. Zooby dooby bum pa, zooby dooby param pam. Zooby dooby nache, kyun pagal stupid man. अंबर का चांद ज़मीन पर इतरा के गा रहा, एक टिमटिम टूटा तारा इतरा के गा रहा। है रात अकेली तन्हा मुझे छूने लाके तू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू। Zooby dooby bum pa, zooby dooby param pam, zooby dooby nache, kyun pagal stupid man. Zooby dooby bum pa, zooby dooby param pam, zooby dooby nache, kyun pagal stupid man. Zooby
To highlight here.
This is the most popular dance of Gujarat. The dance is so popular that it is performed not only in the state but throughout India. In fact, it is a special feature of Navratri festival. The festival celebrated to pay homage to 9 incarnations of Mata the Mother Goddess. People observe fasts on all 9 days of the festival and pay regular visits to temples. While the days are filled with devotion towards the goddess, the nights are vibrant, reflecting the festive spirit at its peak. The dance is so very energetic and fast.
could realistically regard the Earth as an infinite reservoir, an infinite source of inputs, and an infinite cesspool of outputs.
Today, we can no longer make this assumption. Earth has become a spaceship, not only in our imagination, but also in the hard realities of social, biological, and physical system, in which man is enmeshed in what we might call the old days. When man was small in numbers and the Earth was large, he could pollute it with impurities, even though he then frequently